Hey guys, it's Brad with BedWood. Come check out our install on this 1970 C-10. So before we get into the BedWood install, first I want to take a minute and talk about the product itself. Now our BedWood isn't just like any wood that you're going to throw in the back of a pickup truck. This product itself is called our BedWood-X. What that is 100% pre-cut, 100% pre-drilled, yes for the perimeter too, 100% pre-finished. So this is the first product of its kind that is made of natural wood that's 100% ready to install in your truck from the box. So you're probably asking yourself at this point, how do they finish this wood? What we do is we actually use a product called H2X. What H2X is a two-part system. The first step is our impregnator. So what's going to happen is you're going to saturate this wood with our impregnator, and it's going to soak into the grains of the wood, and it's going to protect it from the inside out. The second step is going to be your satin clear finish, and that's going to give you that real nice look. You can brush this stuff on, you can spray it on. For best results, we always recommend you spraying the second step. So I said this kit is ready to install out of the box. So when you open this box, you're going to get a lot of different components, and you're going to be ready to install this thing. So Matt's going to go ahead and start opening this box, and we're going to show you exactly what we have in here. So once we open this kit, you're going to notice that it's neatly organized, and we do that for various reasons. Of course, shipping. We ship this stuff all over the country. So first thing you're going to notice is all the appropriate bed strips. These are going to be polished stainless steel. This is our deluxe kit, so it's going to have your red oak and polished stainless steel. We have a standard kit, which is pine and steel and zinc bolts. You'll notice that your wood is neatly wrapped. In between the wood and the outside, you're going to have your bed strip, your bed to frame, and your perimeter bolt kits. They are all appropriate labeled, and you do have a bolt recipe in here as well, so you can make sure that you have the appropriate number. We're going to go ahead and unmask this wood. Beautiful red oak, pre-finished with our H2X, as you can see there. In between the top board and the second board, you're going to have a set of instructions. So you're going to know exactly how wide your boards are, how long they're supposed to be, then the dimensions that are going to be appropriate for your specific truck. What we're going to do is we're going to have Matt here tell us exactly how we're going to make this bed look good again.
So what we've done is we've taken all the bolts loose on the bottom, except for the rearmost bed to frame bolts. They are going to hold your bed down to the frame. If we didn't leave those attached to the bed, leaning on the side of the truck is going to move your bed out of place. So our next step is going to be to remove everything that we can that is not bolted down still, which will be most everything, and then we're going to mark our center lines and square our bed. Welcome back. As you can see, we've got all of the wood out of the truck. We've left our bed to frame bolts to hold the bed in place while we're working. We have cleaned out the mess that we have discovered underneath the wood, and now we're going to continue marking, centering, and squaring our bed. I have put tape at the approximate center lines and the points that we are going to use to square our bed so that we can go ahead and move forward. This bed is exactly 50 inches across, so I am going to mark the center at 25. What we're going to do next is to square our bed using a 3-4-5 triangle. We are going to measure our short distance across the bed 36 inches, which is 3 times 12. We are going to measure the length of the bed 48 inches, which is 4 times 12, and then we will measure across to make sure that we have 60 inches. And that's going to verify our square. plate into place, and we are going to put our stainless steel strips into our groove, starting at the center, using our marks that we previously made for our center line. The space between the boards on our beds is designed to be 7/16 of an inch between the wood. And that lets you lay an 1.5 inch strip in between each one with our proprietary groove that will allow your strips to lock in and your wood will never move.